Let's review how we can use the back wrap. In this video, we're going to use one back wrap and two dual treatment pads. There are other options we'll review at the end of this video. You'll place your dual treatment pads with no tails on the back directly to the Velcro. They will stick securely to the back wrap. You will then undo your Velcro, remove your clear plastic covers, and then you will wrap it around your back. We do want to make sure we're wrapping the back wrap where the treatment pads are directly where you want to treat. So for your lower back, you'll do it low and secure the Velcro. If you're wanting to do your upper back, you will do it higher and secure the Velcro. Depending on your order, we do have different treatment options to use with the back wrap. You can do the dual pad extended with a single pad in the middle, or you can do just the single pad in the middle. If you have questions on different ways to treat using the back wrap, please give us a call. Thanks for watching. We're here to assist, so please visit our website or give us a call if you have any questions.